palms together in front of your chest. Inhale, raise your arms up, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Bend your knees any amount you need to. Step your right leg back, drop your knee, look forward. And step your left knee back, sit back in a wide-legged child's pose, knees wide apart. And coming up onto hands and knees, tuck the toes under, lift hips up and press heels towards the floor. Drop your left knee, step your right leg forward. You can even pick up the foot with your hand if you need to bring it forward. Tuck the toes under, step the left foot forward. Forward fold with the knees bent as much as you need to keep the hands, at least the fingertips, in contact with the floor. Good, and then reaching forward or walking the hands up the legs, coming all the way up, and exhale, arms at your sides.